Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Two quick disclaimers. One, I may be talking kind of funny or with a slight lisp because I just got my tongue pierced. If you're interested in that vlog, I'll have it linked up at the top of this video. Two, I'm not naked. This is a bathing suit. I'm about to go to the beach. So today's video, I'm going to be reinstalling the braid wig from the video from a few weeks ago. If you guys remember, I installed this wig on my head, but I did it with glue and everything. I'm about to reinstall it. If you're actually coming from that video, to answer your question, I wore it for about, well, not your question, but to give you guys an update like I said I would. I wore it for about a week. I really wanted to wear it for like 2 weeks, but I went to Six Flags and I really think I kind of sweated out my lace glue. So then by the next day, it wasn't coming off, but it was kind of lifting, and rather than like keeping on having to re-glue it, I was like, okay, I'm gonna just take it off and reinstall it. So that's what I'm doing today, because I really do love this wig and I really love the braids. I love how it looks, and like I told y'all in the last video, this is really my favorite wig. Like, I'm really not one to reinstall wigs at all, especially not this close together. But anyway, I'm doing a lot of talking. As you guys see, I removed all the glue from the lace. We still got the baby hairs here, and honestly it's gonna be way quicker this way. So honestly, if you would rather do it this method than the other method, then like I said, this is faster, and I'll update you guys on how long this method lasts. And if you're not even coming from that video and you don't even know what I'm talking about, I'll link the other video in this video. So yes, oh, I wanted to mention that I removed the glue from the wig by using shampoo and this lace glue remover. I know it looks dirty now, but this lace glue remover is from Lux Life Hair Group, and it makes everything so easy. It comes right off. So I'm just gonna jump right in. Like I said, I'm gonna be using tape to install it today, not glue. Super easy. And I'm also not gonna do the whole bald cap method. I'm just gonna put on a wig cap like usual. Okay, so I'm putting the wig cap like right at my hairline because I don't want the tape to my hair because it won't stick as good. And when I put on the tape, I'm gonna tape it like halfway on my skin, halfway on the wig cap. My forehead's big, so it's never a problem when I have to sit wigs a little bit more forward. Okay, so I'm still gonna follow some of the, I'm gonna be mad if I get this on my bathing suit. It's white. Okay, if you have a wig cap that like perfectly matches your skin tone, you don't even have to worry about that step. All right, like I told you guys, this wig has adjustable elastic band, and it fits my head so snugly. I got it in a size small. Okay, time for the tape. I don't like the shape of this tape. It's super like angular. Like, why? So I be cutting these. Ooh. I also don't like the straight ones though. I like the ones that are like kind of shaped like that. Not this. So I'll be cutting them in half. And then I always peel off the, can you see? Hold on. Oh my god, I don't know if you guys can see it, but basically there's a part of the paper that sticks out more than the tape. And then the other side of the paper is exactly the length of the tape. So I always peel off the one that's exactly the length of the tape first, because once you put it on your head, it's mad hard to pull that piece off. But when you do it the way that I'm about to do it, you have this little extra tab that's not stuck to your head that makes it really easy to peel off. So I peel that off. And then I'm gonna start in the middle front. And I'm gonna just put that like right there. And I'm gonna peel them all off at the end just because I don't want anything getting stuck to it before I put the wig on it. They don't have to be so close to each other where they're like touching, but you also don't want them mad far apart either. I'm gonna put one more piece, which is 2 more like parts. Y'all see my battle scars? All right, now I'm gonna peel them all off. And like I said, it's easier because that piece is sticking up. And it's super transparent. It definitely won't get in the way of your install. Sorry, I'm gonna back up. I'm like looking in my mirror. And then you want to make sure the entire piece of tape is covered, because otherwise when you try and like lay your edges or something, it's gonna be all sticking to the tape and stuff. So this piece, I think I put it a little too far back. I don't know why it's not sticking. It's sticky. I don't think I put it far enough forward. So I'm gonna just take another piece and put that right over top of the other piece, but a little bit more forward. All right, I'm gonna just press this down. There's parts of it where the very front isn't all the way laid. I actually am gonna tape these 2 pieces down, and how I'm gonna do that is I'm going to cut some slithers. Honestly, this is not all the way necessary, because if you like lay the edges, it'll like keep it down. But I'm gonna just do this just in case you guys are curious on what to do if this happens. So I'm about to cut a little slither. It don't even gotta be perfect for real. And then I'm gonna do the same exact thing, except right on the end. And then I'm gonna just go like this to make sure it's in the right spot, which it is. Like that, problem solved. Well, for the most part. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Okay, boom. Like I said, it don't have to be perfect, but that's a little bit better, and the edge control will do the rest. So in the last video, I already customized the front. Actually, the front already comes customized, but I already showed what I did with the front. So the baby hair's already ready to be laid. If you guys want to see that, like I said, you guys can check out the other video, but now I'm about to just lay the edges. I'm going to be using Luxe Life Edge Control and an edge brush, which I'm happy about, because in like my past 3 tutorials, I've been looking for this edge brush and didn't have it, and I always find it after the video and then lose it again. Since this is tape and not glue, you kind of want to be gentle about when you like swoop up so you don't lift up the lace. I be so particular with my edges. Also, I know my brows are really light because my hair is blonde. I be taking some mascara and fill it in with that. I'm gonna show you guys when I'm done. Did you see how far down I just pulled this edge control? I'm about to break out. Wow, this edge brush makes the edges look so much softer than a comb, because that's usually what I use when I can't find this. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. I know I'm not really like in the camera, but yeah. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for the tutorial. Super cute once again. I'm gonna briefly talk about some of the pros and cons of tape versus glue. First of all, tape is, I feel like, much faster, a lot less messy. I don't think it lasts as long. I only use tape if I plan to wear a wig for like maybe 3 days max. I am gonna see how long I can wear this without it looking raggedy, and then I'll keep you guys updated. Glue, I feel like that's so much longer of a process. It's a lot messier. You gotta use a blow dryer and make it tacky and do the most, and then if it's not dried right, sometimes you see the white, but it does last long, and I feel like the hold is better. With tape, I feel like, excuse me, it's only adhered where you put tape. So like how I showed you guys how it was lifting on the sides earlier, that's because there was no tape there. I feel like you don't have that problem with glue. What else? I feel like tape is easier to use, to be honest. The results look, you know, pretty much the same. I personally do like the results of the glue better, but this still looks great. If you guys didn't check out the other video, I'll have it included in this video. If you guys have any questions, just comment below. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Janai Kirsten, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.